question says 120 divided by 4. So we have 120. You can see there's no ones in this. And there's what it would look like if it was written in your book. Okay, so we know we're dividing by 4. So in each column we're looking at making groups of 4 from that column. 4 hundreds, 4 tens, 4 ones. Okay, so question number 1. How many groups of 400 can you make from 100? The answer is none. You can't make 4 groups because there's only one group there. So we put a 0 there. And we take the 100 and we're going to exchange the 100 for 10 tens. Hopefully you can see that it's the same size. So those 10 tens go into the tens column and the 100 disappears, and we're going to put the 1 there. That's what it looks like. So that says that there are 12 tens in the tens column. Right, question 2. How many groups of 4 tens can we make from 12 tens? Well, we've got 2 here, so if we put another one there and another one, we've got 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that's worked out perfectly. So we have 3 groups of 4 tens. We've got nothing in the units column, so we have to put a 0 there. And just to finish off, we cross that out from our answer because we don't need it. And the answer to the first question is 30. Okay, let's go for another one. Well, there's the number. Let's see if you can guess what it is while I'm getting it ready. And I'll change the question to 102, and we're going to see if we can divide 102 by 3. So there's the question. And that's going to look like this. 3, a bus stop, 102. Okay, we're ready to go, almost. First we need to find a 3, because this is a picture of what's going on. Right, we're off. Question 1. How many groups of 300 can we make from 100? Well, we can't make any groups of 300, so back goes the 0. And this 100 is going to need to be exchanged to go into the tens column here, so the 100 becomes, and you can see there, 10 tens. So let's exchange, put in 10 tens, whoops, and just count 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So there's 10. Okay, question number 2. How many groups of 3 tens can we make from 10 tens? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So I can make 3 groups of 3 tens. So I'll just pop that in, but you'll probably notice I've got 1 left over. So let's pop down a 3 from a picture. And I've now got to exchange that 1 10 for 10 ones. So there are the 10 ones, and that looks like 1 there. And now we've got 12 ones. 10 and 2 is 12. Right, how many groups of 3 ones can we make from 12 ones? Well, There's one group of 3, 2 groups of 3, 3 groups of 3, 4 groups of 3. We can make 4 groups of 3, and that is the answer. And there's the picture for that one. Okay, let's go for one more. Right, well, so if you can pick out what the numbers, but we are going to divide it by 4, so I'm going to leave that there. That's useful, and it's this number. So 132 divided by 4. So I wanted to draw that in my book. First I put down the 4, do a bus stop, and write 132 inside the bus stop. It's a little bit wobbly right in there. Okay, let's go. Question number 1. How many sets of 400 can I make from 100? And the answer is, surprise, surprise, I can't make any. But I can now exchange that for 10 ones. I'm not sure if that's 10 tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So that's 100. So we've exchanged one set of 100 for 10 tens. So I've now got 13 tens in my tens column. Right, so question number 2. How many groups of 4 tens can I make from 13 tens? Well, I can make 1 there. I can make 2. I can make 3, but I've got 1 left over, so I've got 3 groups of 4 tens. I've got 1 10 left over, so I've got to exchange that and make that into ones. So there's 6. There is 10. Okay, so I've now got, let's pop that in, 12 ones in the ones column. Right, final question. How many groups of 4 ones can I make from 12 ones? 1, 2, 3. The answer is 3. And cross out my 0. Just complete the little picture. Now if you have a little look there, you have an exact picture of what's happened there.